Good morning, children. Today our subject is craft. In craft today I am going to teach you how to make a miniature chair. Okay, miniature chair we are going to make today. Now for that we need two marble papers. Okay, here I am showing you the one marble paper. We have to take two marble papers like this, and both the marble papers we have to cut it in a half. We have to make it two parts of this marble paper. Okay, which I have already done. See here, two marble papers I have cut and I have made four pieces. I have made it in a four pieces. Okay, now let's start. Now the first one I am taking here like this. Keep the color portion down. Okay, take it like this. Now what are you going to do? First fold it like this in a half. Okay, fold it properly like this. Now open it. Now you almost have got the middle line. Okay, so now from up take one corner, bring it till middle line like this. Take this part also, this corner, bring it till middle line like this. Okay, same thing you have to do it over here also like this, same way. Take one corner, bring it till middle line like this, and now the next like the same way the second side. Okay, here like this. Okay, now fold it like this in this way. Okay, now take another paper. Okay, now this is the second part of the first paper. Same way we have to do. First fold it like this, make it in a half. Okay, now open it. Again here you will get one middle line, all of you. Now bring one side till the middle line. Take another portion, bring it till the middle line. Now same way do it here also. Okay, okay, same way the second side also. Okay, like this. So now here again, now fold it like this. Now see here, our two parts are ready. Now what we'll do, we are going to insert it like this. Okay, both एक दूसरे के अंदर हमें ऐसे डालना है. Okay, now what you will do, now from this side you are going to bend it till here. Take the other side also, bring it till here. Okay, so this has become our base. ये हुआ है हमारा. See, like this. Can you see? Like this we have to keep. This is our half portion is ready. Okay, now we are going to take next paper. Now in this next paper what we are going to do, first fold it, make it in half like this. Okay, now open it. You must have got the middle line. Now take one side, bring it till the middle line. Take another corner, bring it till the middle line. Okay, okay, this much only. The down side you are not going to fold it, let it remain, keep it like this only. Okay, now take one more paper, same way, color portion back side. Now again fold it in a half में fold करना है like this. Open it, you will get a middle line, all of you. Okay, now next take the first corner, Okay, now take the second corner like this. Okay, now fold it in this way. Okay, now here are both the foldings are ready. Okay, now same way we are going to put both into each other like this. What I am doing, I am putting inside like this. Okay, now what are you going to do? You are going to pin it like this. Okay, now this is your first base. Now in that base you are going to, ये नीचे डालना है आपको इस तरह से, ऐसे like this. It should come, but not like this exactly. It should be, you have to open this portion, put it inside like this. Okay, now अब ये क्या है, हमने पेपर को we have not cut. What we will do, we will just first you fold it half. आप क्या करो, पहले इसे हाफ फोल्ड करो like this. ओके, हाफ फोल्ड करने के बाद इस मिडिल लाइन तक आपको ये वाला पेपर मिडिल लाइन तक लेके आना है like this. ओके, मिडिल लाइन तक आप लेके आ गए like this. Now this is your first portion is ready. Now you have to insert it in the first part like this. Okay, see here like this. Okay, what I have done, I have just inserted the second portion in this paper and your chair is, miniature chair is ready. Okay, now what are you going to do? आप लोग क्या करेंगे, you will apply gum over here. आप क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे गम लगा के here you are going to stick it like this. Okay, and now in the craft notebook what you will do, आप craft notebook में अब ये कैसे stick करेंगे, तो इसके लिए आपको ऐसे फोल्ड करके रखना होगा नोटबुक में इस तरह से. मीन्स यू विल अप्लाई गम ओवर हियर. ओके, बैक साइड में आप यहाँ पे गम लगा के यू विल स्टिक इट लाइक दिस. ओके, एंड द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन यू आर गोइंग टू फोल्ड इट एंड कीप इट इन द notebook like this. Alright, now the remaining background drawing also you have to draw and you are going to give the heading as a miniature chair. Okay, thank you.